Hello, it's Lee here from Fine and Country. Now we're in a stunning location today on the North Devon coastline in the beautiful village of Morthoe, close to those fabulous golden sand surfing beaches at Woolacombe. We're at Yard Farm. It's a fantastic property packed full of character and charm, with parts of the building dating back as long ago as 1622, so 400 years. So that characterful feel is evident throughout. Now this property offers so much. There's 5 bedrooms in the main house with very versatile accommodation. On top of that, you've got a 1-bedroom holiday cottage, ideal for a dependent relative as an alternative, producing an excellent income. There's a range of outbuildings with planning permission for conversion into further dwellings as well, all topped off by these beautiful gardens that I'm stood in now. So let's go and take a look around. So welcome inside the main house at Yard Farm, and as you'll see, we've got beautiful, charming and characterful accommodation here. Now that lovely entrance welcomes you into the fantastic kitchen and family space, which leads down through into a dining room and of course into this lovely cosy lounge with that wood burner. Now also on the ground floor there's a utility room giving practicality and a ground floor wet room as well. Now a fantastic turret-like staircase curves its way around and leads up to the first floor, where there are 5 very generous sized bedrooms as well as a family bathroom. Now there's an area of this property which could be made into a further annex. There's a lovely cosy lounge area up on the first floor with a wood burner and a Juliet balcony which overlooks the paddock. Now we're up on the first floor in that lovely little cosy lounge area that I mentioned to you. Now it's important that you understand that this area of the house could be converted back to a little annex area. On the ground floor there's a small kitchenette. Up here we've got the lovely lounge, of course, with that great wood burner, a double bedroom and a further bathroom as well. Now Yard Farm has really beautifully landscaped gardens and grounds immediately to the front and rear of the main house, and not least this beautiful area I'm sat in now, right by this lovely summer house, orientated to take full advantage of those fantastic views in behind me out towards the Bristol Channel and the distant Welsh coastline. Now along with these gardens you've got the courtyard and the barns, which really add those fantastic features to Yard Farm. So a real feature of Yard Farm is the versatility of the accommodation, and not least this fantastic 1-bedroom separate unit in behind me here. Now the stone facade really sets off the character, and that character continues throughout with the beam ceilings, the really cosy lounge with the wood burner. It really is a treat. Now this area of the property is currently used as a very successful holiday let, producing a really good supplementary income. Of course there's alternative uses. It could be used for a dependent relative, of course. It could also be used for teenage children. The choice is yours, the versatility is there. So in behind me here we've got this fantastic stone outbuilding, and planning permission has been granted to convert that stone outbuilding along with the garage into a 2-bedroom cottage, which is perfect to add further versatility to this fantastic home. It's ideal for a dependent relative again. It's perfect for dual family or extended family, or as that holiday let unit to extend that income even further. So immediately to the rear of the main house, we've got this very private parking area where you can get 3 or 4 cars in quite comfortably. Now in behind me here, we've got another really handy part of the property. And for those of you who work from home, this could be your ideal retreat, because this home working office is perfect for that feature. Of course, alternatively, it could be a games room, or it could be a multitude of different things to suit your needs. So there we are, that is Yard Farm in Mort Hoe, and I'm sure you're going to agree with me, there is so much on offer here, from the main house to the holiday cottage, to the outbuildings, to the fabulous gardens and grounds, and of course these amazing sea and coastal views in behind me here. So to come and view this property physically, please do call us on 01 271 869 112. Many thanks.